Ladies and gentlemen, to honor America and the men and women who serve our country at home and overseas, would you please join Ms. Taylor Longbrake in the singing of our national anthem.